In this video, I'll show you how to download GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for Steam download. Open the official Steam website and click Install Steam. Once the download is complete, install Steam on your computer. After installing Steam, open it and sign into your account. If you don't have a Steam account yet, click Create a new account, complete the registration process, and then sign in. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to search for GTA 5. Open the games page, select your birth date if prompted, and click View Page. Scroll down and click Add to Cart, then select View My Cart. Click Continue to Payment, choose your preferred payment method, and enter the required information, including your payment and billing details. After completing the purchase, click Continue. Now, go to your library and open the Home section. You'll see GTA 5 in your game library. Click Install, wait for the download to finish, and then launch the game. That's it. You can now enjoy playing GTA 5 on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.